Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my very first Transfer Tuesday. I will be transferring money into my different savings challenge goals. All right, I do have one that says Transfer Tuesday, so maybe I should just put it in here for now and then figure out at the end of the month where I want to transfer that money to. But for now, I think I'll just put it into this Transfer Tuesday line item. So if you are unfamiliar with the software that you're looking at, this is YNAB, or You Need a Budget. And it is the best budgeting software out there. If you would like to try it out, click the link in my bio. And yeah, you can try it out for 34 days. And after that, you can make a decision on whether or not you want to use it. And if you do decide to go with them, you do get an additional 30 days. So that's 64 days free. So yeah, if you do try it out, let me know. I think you will absolutely love it. So let's jump into today's Transfer Tuesday. I already know that things are going to be very difficult. So I am going to start off with trimming off this $4.58 from my groceries. And also this $3.30 from fuel. I'll leave that life insurance one there because that's due at the end of the month. Let's see what else I can do. Can't do anything there. Can I pull something from want? What was this? Oh, I have 32 cents from study materials, I guess. Let's move that to ready to assign. Fund money. Move 2133. Okay, cancel this for a second. Let me go back into December and see what's happening in this fund money category. Fund money. Oh, I did have money left over there. November. What happened in November? I'm trying to figure out what happened there. Can I take that money? I think I will take that money because I don't think I normally put anything in fund money. I just spend it. So I'm going to move that to ready to assign. Oh, then it tells me I have 609 incoming. So let's undo that. So I have an upcoming transaction that is 609. So let me add back 609 here. Okay, so I took out 1524. I have an upcoming transaction 3950. Okay, that looks fine. Challenges. Okay, where this is where we are at. I'm really interested to see how long this money will stay. I think that's as much moving around as I can do. So let us put this 2344, which I think is pretty good. I didn't think I would have that much to transfer. So I'm going to put this 2344 to Transfer Tuesday. And yeah, that's it, guys. That was really simple. I do like the concept of Transfer Tuesday, and I love watching all of the videos. And so I think I will be doing this every Tuesday from now until the foreseeable future. So yeah, guys, hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.